Yo, what up? What up? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT. I'm back at it again. I know some of y'all miss me. I'm here now. Let's get on to it. A new week, new life, more capital. More capital, guys. More capital. So let's dig into it. So first pair, going to start with, guys. It's our USDCAD. And I'll change the what's this thing? The frame and all the design and all that. But we're diving straight to it. So let me first give you our key areas, guys. Right. Start with the nearest key area, which is this one. Yes, exactly this one right here. Before I can actually dive into the trend lines, and then I want to give you respected key areas, not just any key area. Respected key areas. I want us to see all the respected key areas that tell us that the market is moving correctly to the downside. Correctly to the downside, guys. Correctly to the downside. And our next big key area is this one. Boom. Exactly right there. So guys, we can see that the market didn't go to my direction. Actually, I closed as soon as, because what this thing did, I entered here. No, where did I enter? Yeah, I entered here. Shot to the upside. Got here. Went down. This blue candle, it rejected and it was promising to shoot up, and then started shooting down again, and then I closed as it was shooting down. I closed and that was it, and I watched it because remember that was the week of NFP, so NFP changed the whole direction of this pair. So yeah, it is what it is. I mean, there's not anchor say, but then it is what it is. So let's identify our trend line. Boom, exactly right there. So now let's zoom into it. Zoom into it. USDCAD, guys. USDCAD. You can see we're now on 1 hour time frame. We're moving correctly. Okay, let me first identify this big one. This big one. You know, when it comes to trend line, guys, you have to identify something that you see. The trend line has to go correctly. It has to align correctly. Otherwise, make sure it lies along those wicks. Or if it's the body you think it's better on, then it's always a nice idea. It's how you say it after all, yeah. May just align the way I feel like, yeah, this has to land this way. This hand has to land this way. So identify a lot. Yeah, identify a lot. Okay, yeah, identified a whole lot of key areas. So now what we think will happen, what I think will happen, the market will just give us something like boom, and then correct here, and then all the way here. And when it gets here, it might just want to come and respect this area nicely until it can shoot all the way down. That's how I see it. That's exactly how I see it. Okay, let me forget this one. Let me not forget this area. So this is what I see, guys. This is what I see. Market will just boom here, retest it, then come back all the way to the downside, and then boom, correction, shoot to the outside, to the downside. Okay, so we'll see what the market will do when it gets to this area here. We'll just wait and see what the market does when it gets to this area here. First, I want to remove this trend line. Now I want us to see what we have. We do see that the whole momentum, the whole movement of the market is to the downside. We can see that we can see that because we see the market coming down, breaking the lows, retesting, breaking, retesting, breaking. Now I want to see it retest and then continue all the way to the downside. But what I think, like I said, it will test, short test, just a small test, go all the way to the downside and then come back even stronger to test again at the same time. Just to test, make sure that the trend is more alive. The momentum is more alive. So let's move on to our next pair, which is GBPUSD. So guys, with GBPUSD, let me go back. What am I doing now? Let me go back for H and identify. So on this one, I'll first identify the trend line, because I don't want us to be dazed. Understand? This is how it is supposed to be. Yeah, just land one. Hey. Alright. And then boom. Alright. So first thing first, let's zoom in. Hey. It did this. It is doing this thing again. Okay. Alright. Let's identify those key areas. Let me go to one page to identify those key areas. Boom, there's a key area right here. Something has to talk my language right here. But because we can see, guys, that this key area is nice. It was tested here. It was super strong, but now it has been violated. So let me not use it at all. So you can see on this trend that the market is moving to the upside. Let me not just do things that are necessary. Let me just give you key areas in this time frame. Let me just give you key areas exactly where we at. I want to start with this one here. Important key areas. I want to start with this one here. Exactly right there. Okay. And then I want to tap into this next one, which is exactly like this. Boom. So we see that the market failed to break above this key area a couple of times now. I'll count this, but no, let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it failed. And now at the same time, let me highlight some trend lines exactly like this. Boom and boom. Okay. All right. Okay. Boom. market is open already, and it's not even it's not even what am I saying? Okay, boom. All right. Let me just stick to it exactly like this. Yeah. Let's not make things complicated. That some things that are not complicated, trying to make them complicated. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! So I have to identify the previous lower high. I mean, because why not? It's highly important, because the market right now it's moving. So the highest high now it's this one. It's this high here. The second highest high it's this one here. No. So now the market is moving correctly to the upside. Nice thingies, nice thingies. So, so the market has been pushing all the way to the upside, creating the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It's coming for the higher low and then continue all the way to the upside. All I'm saying is wait for the market to close above and then you can catch your buy all the way to the first TP here, second TP right there. Nice and easy, no fuss, no nothing, just follow the trend of the market. You don't want to trade against the market. Follow the trend of the market, guys. The trend of the market. It's nice and easy. It's nothing too complicated. It's nothing you have to crack your head about. You understand? So I have to identify this one again. Because at the same time, the market has to get here at least. Okay. No, I don't want us to, I don't want us to fight here. I want us to do the things to be done. You understand? So you can see the market is forming a channel in a small channel. Right? It's forming a channel in a small channel. The channel is channeling the other channels. So market on a bigger structure came down, tested the trend line first and second, and shot all the way to the upside, respecting this zone right here, the key area, and then came back to test the resistant trend line, and then now it's correcting within the trend line. So when I'm moving down to 15 minutes, we can see a nice channel, which is this one right here. You can see that the market is moving correctly within the channel, which is inside the bigger channel, right? So the market will be giving us something like yes, and then boom, 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 should correct, and then boom, right? Okay. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I'm not sure if you guys can. Okay, no, you can hear me, but yeah, that's basically what I'm saying. This is basically what I'm saying. This is basically what I'm saying right now. So let me try and switch this one to make sure that it's landing the way I want it to land. Okay, this one can come all the way to here. So it can give us a touch here. You exactly right here. Before it can actually shoot all the way to the upside. Yeah, that's alright. That's alright. That's all right. Let's move on to our last and final pair, which is USDJPY. USDJPY. Why are you doing this to us? Why? Okay. Even USDJPY, guys, it's moving correctly. It is moving correctly to the upside. So I know we anticipated that it goes to the downside, but then now I just saw something. I cheated the trend line. Now I see now. When you cheat the trend line and it shows you something else. Okay. Let's first identify this big trend line. You don't want to cheat the trend line. Exactly what it says pull. You pull as it pulls. You understand? Do what the trend line is telling you to do. Don't do your own thing. Boom, exactly. So I say it because I think I'm better than I'm better than this. Then I say, oh, the market is exactly on the trend. Oh, I don't know. I'm beating myself up right now. I don't know. What say to me, yeah, the market is at the area right now, it's ready to sell. Oh hell no, the market is not ready to sell. Hell no, it's not. Hell no, it's not. Right now, let's move on to 1H time frame because we can see that the market hasn't really touched the resistance trend line like it's supposed to. First thing first, okay, identify the trend lines first, finish with the trend lines, and then give you what you guys want to see. Boom. You know? Is this appropriate? It is what it is. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. All right. All right. Okay. Previous big higher, low, higher, high. And then there's this previous small higher, high. She said the market is in the trend. It is in the resistance trend line of the channel. It is. So I wish it comes back down to test this area because it actually shoot up to the upside and tap in this area, and then we'll see what happens when the market gets to this area right here. I don't have to forget this one right here. Oh goddamn. Oh goddamn. I cannot. So the market might just give us something like boom, correct, and then continue to touch this area right here. Now we'll see what it does when it gets there. Just have to see what it does when it gets here. So yeah, this is it. Let's see if we can identify something else. Yes, no, yes, no. Guys, don't forget to to comment on the comment section down below. Don't forget.